Innovative people drive innovative products. I help the automotive industry make parts that we can mold. We build very large tooling, up to 110,000 pounds. None of our tooling is very small here, so mistakes can cost our customers and Omega a lot of money. We want to make sure that everything works well with each other. I can go to a meeting with just my laptop and PowerShape and load a CATIA model. I can go to General Motors and I can load a Unigraphics model. We do some work for Whirlpool. I can go there and load a Pro-E file. I don't have to spend all this time making sure that I have the proper softwares on my laptop, that will it come in, won't it come in. They just do it seamlessly. For me to work inside of PowerShape, it's very simple. I get a lot of nice new little tools, some things to make solids from other people look better than they were before they came here. Parasolids is a seamless, solid modeling product. I want to add a model to my screen that's already done by General Motors. I happen to have it right here. It looks pretty simple, but there's probably over 13,000 surface models in here. So that's a lot of data. I can now just go there and say UG part file, select it, say open. With PowerShape and the Parasolids kernel, it's direct from Unigraphics right into PowerShape. If I go to another CAD software that's running another Parasolids kernel, I can share it with them and they'll get the same look, the same solid that I had here. I can now share it. I can send it down to the shop floor. I can send it down to PowerMill. Everything will be seamless. You'll find that CATIA doesn't work very good with UG. UG doesn't work very good with CATIA, but with PowerShape, PowerMill, their PS Exchange, we can integrate them together and they go together seamlessly. They did a very good job of making sure that what they sold to their customer works. That in itself showed me that they were innovators.